Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to use Walmart's same day delivery. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in walmart.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Walmart if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top of the screen, we have the search bar where you can search for everything at Walmart online and in store. In the top right corner, as you can see, we have your items, the account, and your shopping cart. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and use Walmart's same day delivery. So it is pretty simple and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So first of all, what you need to do is create, of course, your account, then select delivery. So on the home page, choose the delivery, pickup, and delivery option. After that, you need to choose the express delivery. So if you need your items quickly, select the express delivery option. Shop for items you need. So go to the shopping. So here you can go and shop for groceries or anything. Just click on an item. For instance, I'll just click on the Halloween basket. Then you just need to go and click on the plus button here, and it will of course add button, and it will be added to your shopping cart in the top right corner. Then reserve a time slot. Once you've added all your items to the chart, proceed to checkout. Here you can reserve a time slot for your delivery. After placing your order, you can track its progress using the Walmart app, of course, so you can also go download it. And then you just need to go and wait for the delivery to come to you. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys!